Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to warp in Gimp. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Gimp software. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go to up to the left corner, click on file and then click on open. Once you click on open, you can search for any image that you want to use from your PC. So for example, I'm going to go here to saved pictures and then I'm going to choose a picture from here. So for example, I'm going to choose this one, click on open and then I'm going to click on keep. And as you can see guys, now the image is added to GIMP. So now if you go right here to text, you can add a new text box like this. And then you can type any text that you want. For example, I'm going to type GIMP. From here, you can change the size of the text. For example, I'm going to make it 200. And now we're going to change the color to white. Click on OK. Or we're going to choose another color, for example, this one. And in order to warp this text, you can either go here to warp and start applying it here. As you can see guys, here are all of the options. You can change the size, for example, to this one to warp your text. You can also change the hardness, the strength, the spacing, and so on. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.